Did you know that 80% of weight loss is actually determined by what you eat and how you live, not by how much you exercise? That's right, you don't have to live at the gym to lose belly fat. In fact, research shows that small, sustainable changes to your daily habits can be even more effective than intense workouts. But here's the big question: is it really possible to lose weight without exercise? The answer is a resounding yes. Research shows that small, sustainable changes to your daily habits can be even more effective than intense workouts. So, if you're tired of sweating it out on the treadmill and still not seeing results, stick around. Today, I'm sharing 8 science-backed strategies to help you lose belly fat, without ever stepping foot in a gym. Let's dive in. For years, we've been told that the key to weight loss is simple: just exercise more. Hit the gym, run miles, sweat it out, and the pounds will melt away. But here's the reality: for so many people, that just doesn't work. Maybe you've been there, spending hours on the treadmill, lifting weights, or doing endless crunches, only to step on the scale and see no change. Or worse, you feel exhausted, frustrated, and ready to give up. The truth is, exercise alone isn't enough. In fact, for some people, intense workouts can even backfire, leading to increased hunger, overeating, or burnout. And let's be real, not everyone has the time, energy, or ability to commit to a rigorous exercise routine. Life gets busy, motivation fades, and let's face it, sometimes the gym just feels like a chore. But what if I told you there's another way? A way to lose weight, and even target stubborn belly fat, without spending hours at the gym? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And today, I'm going to show you how. Let's start with something you might not expect: sleep. Yes, getting enough shut-eye is crucial for weight loss. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that tells your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Plus, poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave sugary, high-calorie foods. So, what can you do? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, and avoid screens and caffeine before bed. Trust me, better sleep equals better weight loss results. Next up, stress. Chronic stress is a major roadblock to weight loss. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, which not only increases belly fat storage but also triggers cravings for comfort foods. The good news? You can manage stress with simple techniques. Try deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even gentle activities like yoga or walking. Find what works for you, because a calmer mind means a healthier body. Now, let's talk about sugar. It's everywhere, hidden in sodas, condiments, and even healthy snacks. Excess sugar doesn't just pack on the pounds, it specifically promotes fat storage around your belly. To cut back, start by swapping sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. Read food labels to avoid hidden sugars, and satisfy your sweet tooth with fruit instead. Small changes here can make a huge difference. Protein and fiber are your secret weapons for weight loss. Protein keeps you full and helps preserve muscle mass, while fiber supports digestion and reduces cravings. Load up on foods like eggs, fish, lean meats, fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Not only will you feel fuller longer, but you'll also be fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to burn fat. Here's a simple trick: eat slower. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to realize you're full, so if you're rushing through meals, you're likely overeating. Try chewing each bite 20 to 30 times, putting your fork down between bites, and avoiding distractions like TV or your phone. Mindful eating can help you enjoy your food more and eat less, without feeling deprived. Certain foods and drinks can actually boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. Green tea, for example, contains EGCG, an antioxidant that enhances fat burning. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3s, which support fat loss. Even apple cider vinegar and chili peppers have been shown to give your metabolism a little kick. And don't forget water. Staying hydrated keeps your body functioning optimally and can even help curb hunger. For some people, diet and lifestyle changes alone might not be enough. That's where weight loss medications like Semaglutide and truSculpt come in. These prescription drugs help regulate appetite and blood sugar, making it easier to eat less and lose weight. Of course, always consult a doctor before trying these. They're not for everyone, but they can be a helpful tool for some. Finally, if you're looking for a non-invasive way to target stubborn belly fat, treatments like truSculpt might be worth considering. This FDA-approved procedure uses radiofrequency energy to destroy fat cells, which your body then naturally eliminates. It's a great option for those who want to sculpt their body without surgery or downtime. These insights prove that weight loss isn't just about burning calories, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your body's natural ability to shed fat. So, if you've been struggling to lose weight, remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with these strategies, you've got everything you need to get started. Losing weight without exercise is absolutely possible with the right lifestyle changes. Focus on key habits, prioritize sleep, manage stress, reduce sugar, eat more protein and fiber, slow down while eating, incorporate fat-burning foods, and consider medical or non-surgical options if needed. The key? Small, sustainable changes lead to big results, no treadmill required. What's your first step? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share with others. Thanks for watching, you've got this. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these weight loss strategies, or do you have your own tips? Drop a comment below, I read them all, and your experience might inspire someone else. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health, wellness, and weight loss tips. Exciting content is on the way. Looking for more ways to boost your health? Watch this next for even more science-backed strategies. Thanks for watching. Small changes lead to big results. See you in the next one.